Match the fruit with the basket. Yellow, red, green. Very good. Excellent. Now match the pictures with the basket. Red. Yes. Yes. Go. Yellow and green. Now match the fruit with the same basket. Red. Yellow. Yes. Jump. Yes. Try it. Jump. Oh. Once again. Oh no. Yes, it's green. And now jump. Jump and try it. Yes. Oh. Yes. Go. Very good. It's yellow. Excellent. Very good. Congratulations. You did it. Now choose the same picture and sort it. Car. Rocket. Now move. Sort the same picture. Yes. Scooter. Excellent. Helicopter. Very good. Helicopter. Very good. Now move to the next. Sort the same picture. Ambulance. Yes. Very good. Ambulance. Now aeroplane. Yes. Very good. Amazing. Now sort the same picture. Cycle. Yes, bicycle. Truck. Now move to the next. Choose animals and birds. Yes, this is birds. This one is also birds. Elephant, jaguar. Very good. Now, this one is bird. Pigeon, peacock, fox, monkey. Birds and which are animals? Owl, it's a bird. Crow, it's a bird. Now deer and bear. Choose the animals and birds. Now hen, sparrow, hippopotamus and giraffe. Choose the birds and animals. Chicks, turkey, rhino, blackhead. Sort the pictures by their size. Yes, very good. Yes. Now, well done. Now sort the pictures with their size. Yes, nice. Now sort the pictures with their size. Yes. Amazing. Now sort the pictures with their size. Yes. Excellent. Now sort the pictures with their size. Yes. And this one is yes. Very good. Now again. Yes. No. Yes. This one is right. Now yippee. Amazing. Now sort the pictures with their size. Doll, big, medium and small. No, where is big one? This one is big, this one is medium and this one is small. Very good. Now, which is big? This one is big, this one is medium and this one is small. Very good. Amazing.